In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, you can launch your keyboard, and if you have a suggestion strip enabled at the top of it, hit this gear icon right away. Then tap on text correction and scroll to use this switcher next to autocorrection. If you don't have a suggestion strip on, you can go into devices settings instead, scroll all the way down, and tap on system and update at the bottom. Following that, hit keyboard here, select on-screen keyboard, and finally keyboard. Then hit text correction and use autocorrection. Additionally, if you want to enable suggestion strip, just click on this switcher next to show suggestion strip if it's not already on, also located in text correction options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!